I was riding down that freeway, I-79. I was getting kinda tired when I saw that neon sign. I shifted down my Peterbilt, I pulled into that lot. It was a town called Walkersville, I'll never forget that spot. I jumped down from that big rig, I walked to the restaurant, thought I'd get some pie and coffee, then continue on down the road. First I went to wash my hands and my eyes went down the wall. That's when I saw her number written on the side of the stall. Oh, truck stop little fair, truck stop little fair. I guess my time for a truck stop little fair. I sat there drinking that coffee, you know I must drink a lot. I kept thinking about that number, should I not? Being on the road for 6 long days, I was riding to a knot. I got myself to thinking I young lady does a lot. Because sometimes pay attention, and what are you gonna do when your number comes up and you can't get out of the road? Truck stop little fair, truck stop little fair. I just put my eye for a truck stop little fair. I reached into my pocket, I started phoning with my phone. I dialed up that number so it's no longer be alone. Well, when I saw her walking up, I couldn't believe my luck. Well, she came right up to me and said, now it's time to truck stop little fair, truck stop little fair. I just said, I'm for a truck stop little fair. We climbed in the back of my Peterbilt, started to lie down. Then she pulled the pistol from her purse, said, son, don't make a sound. Well, I guess I had it coming, at least she didn't take my life. Just everything from the wall and said, I'm on my way. Oh, truck stop little fair, truck stop little fair. I just put my eye for a truck stop little fair. Oh, truck stop little fair, truck stop little fair.